Welcome back. It's Brian with another episode of Stock Buzz. And that tells you there's been some activity in the Econ X active stock portfolio. So let's get right into it. The market's continuing its range-bound activity. We may be seeing a move lower. Some of the stocks that we already own for you have also moved lower, and that gives us a good buying opportunity, in our opinion, to accumulate shares at these lower levels because we think there's a good opportunity for growth in the next 12 to 24 months. So what have we done? We've added to Lululemon. We've added to Cleveland Cliffs. We've added to Bloomin' Brands. We've added to Invitation Homes. We've added to State Street. We've added to Gilead, and we've added to Cisco. But we've also sold two positions, and Jake's going to tell you a little bit more about that. So Jake, tell us, we sold USB and we also sold Texas Instruments for two different reasons. I know when I was in 8th grade, I sold my TI-81 for $6. Why did we sell Texas Instruments?
That's exactly right, Brian. We sold two stocks. US Bank is the first one. This one we actually sold for a loss. The reason being, we're seeing the chart kind of break down, and that means that there could be some risk ahead. If the price falls even further, we want to be able to take that cash and allocate it to some of the stocks Brian mentioned that are at a much better buy point. Now the other one, Texas Instruments, sold that one for a gain actually twice, and we used that and implemented that cash into different areas of the portfolio. But here's a real life example of why dollar cost averaging works. Let's look at Gilead's chart here. We were buying a few times right around $60 to $65 a share, building it up. And then what happens? A couple of days later, they report news on one of their clinical trials and it jumps up 10%. And that's exactly why you dollar cost average. You don't know when a stock is exactly going to move, but if you get the indicators and the signs, being active will help build your portfolio's growth.
Jake, great analysis. Always love seeing you in front of the charts. It's good stuff.
But it's important to mention that we're not going to win every single trade. We always have a plan, no matter what, though.
So stay tuned. Anytime there's activity in the Econ X portfolio, you'll hear from Jake and Brian on the next episode of Stock Buzz.